Guys, so today is Friday. We have non-farm payroll coming out. So now I'm about to go to my system, see what the navigator effects have done overnight. As you guys can see, it's all blues right now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the system throughout the non-farm payroll to see how the system performs. Then we'll know if this is a condition that we would want to run the system in or not. If you ask me, preferably, I would say no. But let's see what happens. Let's see how the system performs during like very high impact news. So I'll keep you guys posted. All right. So overnight, as you guys can see, we're down 187 on the day. All right, so we're up $47 heading into the news. And over here, as you guys can see, I told you guys yesterday that the system, it provides updates. You see, provides updates, trade management and all. So we'll see how it performs at news time. All right, guys. So moments leading into the news. Moments leading into the news, as you can see, the navigator FX is in profit for the day. Leading to NFP, what we're going to do is we're going to allow it to run throughout the news to see how it performs. All right. So NFP non-farm NFP at 7:30. So we'll see how it performs at that time. All right. Life is a blessing, learn a lesson, keep focus, always pressing. You have to have patience to wait if you're destined to great. Alright guys, so at this point here, we could have closed the trades and closed the day with profit. As you guys can see, 187 loss leading into the news, up to 41. So we could walk away with a small profit today. But that would have been my best take using the system. But as mentioned, I want to see how the system performs during the news, because I have made adjustment to one of I've updated the system yesterday, so I just want to see how the system performs during the news today. All right. Otherwise, as mentioned, we could have closed out and walk away with profit, as you guys can see. But we're testing. This is the final test. We lead into next week where we go live with the prop firm accounts, which I'll be documenting. So this is going to be whether I trade the news with the system or not. All right, so that's what I'm showing you all today. Hey, morning guys, morning. So yeah, so now we are going inside. We are going inside the news. We have the major news in 1:34. As you guys can see, I'm just waking up. You know what I'm saying? Like just waking up again. You know, with the Navigator FX system, I'm able to get my rest. So I'm just waking up. You know, as you can see, each trade has its own, stop loss, take profit. The system does its own adjustment in terms of trade management. So again, I'm literally just turning the system on, at the right time and allow the system to do its thing. All right. All right, guys. So we're a few seconds away from the major news. All right. So again, this is our final checks and balances going into next week, where we're going live on the funded accounts, which I'll document to show you all. So let's see how the market plays. So we have in 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Let's have some fun. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Happy New Year's. Boom. Look at that. Woo. Look at that. Woo. Oh, look at that, guys. Woo. Amazing. Woo. Look at that. Oh, for the day. The Navigator FX for the day. You guys saw that live, guys. Live. I'm done. I'm turning this system off for the day. Right. Listen, I'm done. I'm done. Oh, I'm also done. I'm also done. Simply amazing. Simply amazing, guys. You guys can see. Simply amazing, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, God. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All trades closed out on this live. Oh, my days. That's a beauty. That's a beauty. We're done for the day. We are also done for the day. Oh my days. Like, listen, I told you all. Navigator FX. Don't play. So next week, we are going live. Live. Oh my days. That was so quick, guys. That's over a K in about. Oh man. Amazing. Now here comes the updates. I told you yesterday that the system provide updates, right? Look at this. Let me show you all. So imagine, guys, you're at work. Look at this. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, updates every day. Look at that, guys. Updates on your trades live, and it happened so fast that updates. Guys, the Navigator FX. Yo, reach out, get connected, connect this bot to your funded account, and let's grow together, guys. Let's level up, and let's take things. Let's improve our family lives. You know what I'm saying, guys? Like, tough times coming, tough times are here. Oh my days. You guys have seen it. It's your boy Freelance and Everone. Have yourself a wonderful and safe, productive, automated day.